How to make yogurt and olive oil mask for hair. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 cup of yogurt in a bowl and set it aside. Next, dilute 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in water. Now, apply the yogurt oil mixture to damp hair, and leave it on for 20 minutes. Then, rinse your hair with cool or lukewarm water. Wash your hair finally with the lemon water. For best results, you can repeat this up to 2 times a week. Olive oil is a wonderful ingredient for hair. It is packed with antioxidants and vitamins E and A. These nutrients work well to repair damaged hair, specially treated and colored hair which is starved of nourishment. It also protects the protein keratin in your hair by sealing the moisture in. It fights fungus and bacteria, improving the blood circulation, and get the follicles stimulated to repair damaged hair. It works excellently well to prevent hair loss. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.